The pattern stamp tool in Photoshop basically just paints with a chosen pattern defined from your image, another image, or a preset pattern. So it's a real easy tool to explain. All it does, it paints a pattern. That's it. Not too much more to it. So let's just go over the top options right here. Obviously, same thing. Every other tool, we got the tool presets. We also got the brush preset picker. This just toggles the brush settings panel. And then we got our blend modes. This has every single blend mode. Then we got our opacity and our pressure for our opacity option. This is if you have a Wacom pen tablet or another brand of pen. The harder you press, the more opacity there is. Next, we got the flow amount. This sets the rate of flow for the brush stroke. Then we got the enable airbrush style buildup effects. Then we have the brush angle. After that, we have the pattern picker. When you click this drop down, it'll open up all the preset patterns that you have saved. And you can choose one. Say we want this grass one, right? And it paints that pattern. After that, we got aligned. This just uses the same offset for each stroke. And then Impressionist, all this does is just add an artistic style to the pattern. So it changed it from this grass pattern to kind of like a little more artistic pattern. And last but not least, we got pressure for size. Obviously, if you got a pen, the harder you press, the bigger the size will be. So if I start pressing real light and then just gradually start pressing harder on the pen, that's what it does. So that's about it for the pattern stamp tool, guys. If you got any questions, put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.